We all talk about manifestation, but there is a real science to it. And I want to share with you certain things in science, and I want you to go look it up for yourself. Because when you start seeing how this is scientifically possible, you'll believe in it more. And granted, belief is not knowing. Knowing comes from doing it. But that's the first step. So first, I want y'all to just look these things up. Look up the double slit experiment. That proves that just by looking at something, you can change the physical outcome in reality. The next thing I want you to look at is I want you to look up the Heart Math Institute. They talk about how our hearts output this vibration energy and actually connects us to others, situations. We even connect to a greater network like cell phone towers. And then there's neuroplasticity, where our brains literally reshape when we're doing the right exercises. So the science behind manifesting is real, but I want you to look it up yourself, because when you look it up yourself and you see it, not just take my word for it, then you'll have a greater knowing it's real. Then come back here and I'll teach you how to use it. I'll see you on the next one.